discover 3 wonderful plants to heal wounds. Wise and fascinating nature has given us some wonderful plants to help cleanse and heal wounds that might occur in our daily lives. We're talking about those less serious injuries, of course. A bruise, a cut, a burn, or even those classic scraped knees that children get from falling or sliding can have a quick solution with some great home remedies. It's always a good idea to have some of these medicinal plants in your medicine drawer at home. Remember, however, that it's equally important to know which one to choose and how to use it correctly. Not all of them are applicable in the same situations, and it's also important to be sure you use the right dosage. Today, we want to share 3 of our favorite medicinal plants that can help treat and cure wounds. 1. Aloe vera to cleanse and heal wounds. When you apply aloe vera gel to a wound, the effects are amazing. This wonderful plant can be used to treat cuts, burns, irritation, and skin inflammation. The pulp or gel found inside the aloe vera leaf is made up of more than just water. In addition, it contains acidic mucilages, organic salts, enzymes, saponins, tannins, amino acids, vitamins, and a variety of minerals. Here's what makes it so great. Topical application of aloe vera gel stimulates your body's production of collagen. This process improves healing and angiogenesis, which is the formation of new tissue to heal a wound. Thanks to the findings of several studies, it's also known that this plant has therapeutic effects that help reduce both pain and inflammation. You might be interested to know that aloe contains aloe-modine, an organic compound that fights viruses and bacteria. This allows it to heal wounds quickly and without the risk of infection. How to apply aloe vera. An excellent and easy way to take advantage of the properties of aloe vera is to freeze it. Here's what you should do. Take a stalk from the aloe vera plant and, using a knife, cut it in half lengthwise. Remove all of the translucent gel from the inside and place it in ice cube trays. Once you've filled the tray, put it in the freezer. The gel will retain all of its properties while frozen. Whenever you need it, all you need to do is remove one of the cubes. It's easy. Aloe vera can also be very helpful to alleviate a bruising or even inflamed varicose veins. 2. Asian centella. Asian centella is a medicinal herb that's used to treat skin problems like eczema, psoriasis, sores, simple burns, and even open wounds. This plant, which is very common throughout the Asian subcontinent, contains something that's also found in the aloe plant, saponins. Thanks to these compounds, it can promote healing and even improve circulation to stimulate the production of collagen. It's common for pharmaceutical companies to add this ingredient to topical treatments. One of its benefits is that it can stimulate the healing of wounds after surgery. How to apply Asian centella. You can find many natural treatments that have already been prepared in natural medicine stores. These options are both excellent and safe. You also have the option of making your own simple compresses using this plant. In this case, here is all you need to do. First, collect a few of the fresh leaves, crush them, and apply them to any wound or burn. Leave them on for around 20 minutes and then remove them. If you repeat these steps for 2 to 3 days in a row, you'll have excellent results. 3. Chamomile. The European Medicine Agency, EMA, approved the use of chamomile a few years ago. When used topically, this herb is very effective when it comes to healing wounds, treating eczema, and alleviating all types of inflammation. It goes without saying that drinking chamomile tea won't help you when it comes to cuts and bruises, though. Yes, it will calm your nerves and help you rest, but if you want to heal any wounds or infections, you have to apply it topically. In addition to that, one of chamomile's many advantages is that it's anti-allergenic. We'll explain how to obtain its benefits. How to apply chamomile. This is very easy. The first thing you need to do is buy some dried chamomile from a natural store or herbalist. You could use tea bags, but since it's hard to know if they contain 100 chamomile, it's best to buy the leaves themselves from a specialist. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon of dried chamomile, 10 grams. 1/2 cup of water, 100 milliliters. Preparation: heat the water and when it reaches a boil, add the tablespoon of dried chamomile. Once you have let it steep, strain off the liquid and save it. While it's still warm, use a cotton pad to apply this healing, medicinal liquid to the wound. You can repeat these steps several times a day. It typically has excellent results. Don't hesitate to add these plants to your home medicine kit. You love them.